Mom?
Yes, sweetie?
Are you crying?
No, I'm fine.
You look sad.
Oh, sweetie. It's just the onions.
But you're not cutting onions.
I'm just tired.
Did I do something wrong?
No, sweetie, you didn't do anything wrong.
Then why are you crying?
Oh, sweetie, it's nothing for you to worry about. Sometimes moms get tired.
Tired of me?
No, sweetheart. I just want to be a good mom. Sometimes I feel not enough.
Not enough?
I try to cook, clean, help, smile. But I still feel I miss something.
Mom was crying.
Why?
She thinks she's not enough.
Oh. Let's show her she is enough.
I'll make a card.
That's a wonderful idea, Leo.
It will be the best card ever.
I'll cook tonight.
She will be happy.
She deserves it.
Best mom ever. Is this good?
Yes, Leo, it's wonderful.
When do we do it?
Tonight, after dinner.
I hope I'm enough.
Mom, we made this for you.
Because you are enough.
I made this for us!
Why are you doing this?
Because we see you.
Everything you do.
I didn't know you felt that.
You are the best mom.
Thank you.
Dinner is ready.
You cooked?
You do so much.
I just love you.
We love you too.
I feel enough.
Sometimes moms cry. Because they care too much. Tomorrow I help more.
I'd love that. That would mean a lot.
I can help too.
You already help with love.
Team family.
felt alone today.
I'm sorry, Emma.
I'm sorry too.
Thank you for caring.
We see you.
We love you, Mom.
I love you more.
Sometimes moms cry because they care too much.